Number 3, the water flow is low or not flowing at all. There are a couple of minor areas that could be causing this. To troubleshoot, let's start with the obvious. First, check the hose. Make sure the hose from the unit to the handle is impinged or kinked somewhere. It's like a garden hose. If kinked, water will not flow properly. Second, lubricate the O-ring with a small amount of Vaseline to ensure the water tank seals properly to allow the water to flow. This is the usual suspect, but easily corrected in seconds. You may need to adjust the control knob from low to high a few times to help remove air from the system. It may also help to remove trapped air by placing the wand in the sink, lower than the level of the unit. Third, check the tip. If it's blocked, soak the tip in vinegar for 5 to 7 minutes and rinse. Finally, if the previous steps did not restore performance, rinse the system with a diluted vinegar solution to clear out any mineral buildup that may have accumulated.